In today's video, we're going to tackle a common problem that many developers face when structuring their Rust projects. The problem at hand involves the decision between having a lib.rs plus main.rs setup versus just a main.rs file. It all boils down to whether you should split your code into a library and an executable, or keep it all in one executable. Let's dive into why this dilemma exists and explore the benefits of each approach. When it comes to addressing this problem, the solution lies in understanding the distinct advantages of utilizing a lib.rs plus main.rs configuration. By having both a library and an executable, you open up possibilities for better code organization and composition. Libraries excel in composability, making it easier to integrate external functionalities without the complexities that come with executing system commands directly in your executable. By leveraging separate architectures for your library and executable code, you can adhere to different coding idioms, enhancing the overall quality and maintainability of your codebase. It's crucial to recognize the benefits of separating your code into a library and an executable. Not only does this divide help in structuring your program more effectively, but it also simplifies the testing process by enabling black box testing of your application features. Additionally, viewing your code through the lens of library versus executable can serve as a heuristic for organizing complex problems into cohesive and manageable parts. This approach not only facilitates code maintenance, but also promotes a more thoughtful and thorough consideration of your code's interface. In summary, by embracing the lib.rs plus main.rs approach, you can harness the power of code modularity, composition, and maintainability in your Rust projects. Whether you're a seasoned developer or a newcomer, the benefits of splitting your code between a library and an executable are clear. So, next time you're faced with a similar dilemma, remember the advantages of this dual-target setup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!